Hi guys, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make DUME oil. Very good oil for hexing, cursing, and witchcraft. So I already mixed up. I have my candles going and my dragon's blood incense. I have some hemlock, amaryllis desire, which is poisonous. The bulb was the most poisonous part. Hemlock tree. I have some cactus needles and a carnation, which is poisonous and good for hexing as well. So these are all cut up. I have some mold. I already put a dead fly in here, and I crushed up some sulfur, a wasp's nest, a moldy rose, and some sulfur. So this is all gonna go in there, and that is, like I said, for cursing. If you want any spell work done, feel free to get a hold of me via email. Now I have some vervain, I have some nightshade, asafoetida, red peppers, cemetery dirt, I have some more benzoin and sulfur. I have black castor oil, black pepper, black mustard seeds, poppy seeds, garlic, and red chili flakes in my war water. That's all gonna go into this bottle. I also have to get my book out because my book, okay. You can use cayenne pepper, chili pepper, garlic, apple cider vinegar, anything rusty. You can use castor oil, lime, lemon is good for souring. Jezebel root is poisonous, which I have some Jezebel I'm going to add in there. Labella, mullein is a commanding, so I have mullein leaf. Knotweed, mustard, poppy seeds, it's for discord and strife and arguing. Nightshade causes discord, illness, poisonous, and belladonna. Poke root is control a situation. Calamus and valeria and snake root mixed together, banishing mixed together, and Spanish moss. Slippery elm, used to stop gossip, separates married couples, and lemon verbena, which I have slippery elm. Cow's tongue spell, stuff it with slippery elm to stop gossip. We have binesweed, bird's eye chili, blackthorn, bladderwhack. Hemlock is for discord. Sadness, paralyze the situation, highly poisonous. We have hembane, causes illness, discord, and helmicali. Agueweed, oleander, asafoetida, devil's incense. Is for someone, it's used for someone to leave you alone, and necromancy to control the dead, good for hot foot powder. Blackthorn, or any thorns, is good for any baneful magic. Can place thorns inside poppets or poke poppets, inscribe candles, and ink use too. Bladderwhack, hembane, causes illness, discord, and melancholy. And those are all herbs. And we have some patchouli, cypress. Those are all good for making Saturn oil, which I have some already made. Devil's claws, good for cursing. So you need lemon and Jezebel. Mullein's an amplifier or dark magic. So let's begin. Okay, we're going to, I just have to grab the lemon and Jezebel. High John root is also very good for cursing. Jezebel, and I have some black arts oil too. For Baneful Magic by White Raven, Witch's Lair on YouTube. And I made some of my own High John, the Conqueror root. But we're just gonna grab this. This is gonna be Hydra on the Conquer root. So I do have the oil, but we're not gonna use the oil. And then I do have blue vervain, verbena, and valeria all mixed together. And I have some Hell's Devil oil that I made, so we'll use this in it as well. All right, so let me grab my little cutting. Like I said, if you want any work done or need book reference, I do have some very good books, 365 tarot spells, and I have a new book. It's a book for spell jar recipes. I have poppet books. I have all sorts of books. So if you guys need any, hi Dolby, thing done. Freezing spells, vinegar, all right, so let's go. I'm gonna add these in there first with Nightshade. I just picked up these bottles today, very nice bottles. I'm gonna use some hemlock. I have primrose. I have some thorns of cactus. And the root of the very poisonous plant. And I have some poisonous mushrooms from outside that have been sitting in the house for a while. So and these are very poisonous. Make sure your animals don't get into this. I have some sulfur, some poisonous, like I said, poisonous mushrooms. Spanish moss, if you guys want some moss. I actually got very lucky with the sulfur that was underneath my neighbors that were huge rock collectors. They moved years ago and that was all under their porch that they left there. So I bless and activate, and I charge these herbs for destruction, doom, to create a very toxic environment, to create an uncomfortable environment, to hex the intended, this is patchouli, the intended targets, to make it very, their life living hell, to make them not even want to be there where they are, to leave you alone. And this is lemon, so we're going to use the lemon. This is for souring. Oh, it's all moldy and gross, so this will be perfect for this. As well as some onion peels and some garlic that's in here too. And some ginger. So this will be for hexing. I'm gonna add some war water. Yeah, it stinks. War water stinks. It's nasty. I'm just gonna add a little bit. A little goes a long way. We're gonna add some castor oil. And I put one rusty nail in there. You can do 5, you can do the numbers 3, 5, 9, 7, 8. 9s are for banishing. This castor oil is to wreak havoc and return anything that was sent to harm me or cause harm in my life, destruction, make this person very uncomfortable, make them feel sick, make them not want to be ever thinking of fucking with or messing with me ever again. This is black arts oil. We're gonna do some Jezebel. Make sure you shake it up first, because Jezebel is very poisonous. This is to cause confusion and paralyze my victim. And do some more lemon. This is to sour any situation or good things that this person may have coming in their life. Okay, this is to sour it. These are pieces of bark from Florida. Okay, we're going to use some blue vervain, verbena, and valeria. And I make these all myself. This is to cause discord and misery in this person's life. This is Hell's Devil oil that I made. Okay, this is to wreak havoc in these people's lives for messing with me. Lily of the Valley can stop a heartbeat. It's very, very potent. Very poisonous. This is to cause discord and dismay and even illness in my intended target. Here we added the nightshade, patchouli. Now we gotta add the mustard seeds, the mullein, the slippery elm, and the red peppers, and garlic flakes, and black pepper, poppy seeds. And I love that 365 days of tarot spells. That makes me really feel empowered when I do them. This is to wreak havoc, cause discord and confusion in my intended's, the intended's life. Black mustard seed. says, sprinkle some outside your front door 3 days in a row and watch your enemies and the devil be gone. You can use regular mustard seed or black mustard seed. Okay, this is to cause destruction, and chaos, and bitterness, and unhappiness in my intended target's life. Same thing with the black pepper. This is to cause discord, confusion, and make this person choke on their words, vomit, and get sick at the thought of doing anybody or me harm. Make them very sick and confused. This is like karma in a bottle, the way I see it. I also have some mad oil that we can put in there that I made. Dragon's blood is very good for amping up an anikia. It empowers the spells. Okay, so this is for destruction in my intended target's life. You can do salt to sour their life. Pepper. Okay, we're going to add some slippery elm and the asafoetida and all those herbs. I need my drink. Wisteria, I think, is poisonous. It's a type of tree. Okay, we're gonna do the hydrogen root and the asafoetida, which smells pretty bad. If you know what it smells like. Okay. I charge and bless this asafoetida to send nothing but destruction and hell in my intended target's life. This is garlic and chili flakes. This is to return anything that was sent to me and to cause hell and destruction in my intended target's life. I already put a dead fly in there. I'm sure I have ladybugs, dead ladybugs, so, you know, I can find and put in there, or put a dead snail. You can use alum. Alum is good for making the ingredients not go bad, so we're gonna put a little bit of alum in there, and it's very good for hexing, I guess, too. Okay, bless and charge this alum to not putrefy the concoction and to make my intended target's life a living hell, and to hex and curse them. This is the poisonous stuff. Sulfur, primrose, the root, the poisonous root, poisonous mushroom, and hemlock, as well as the cactus spikes. You can use thorns. And for a base, we're going to use some apple cider vinegar. I have some storm water too. I can put a little bit of storm water in there. We're going to put some slippery elm in there. Once I finish pushing all this down in there. Now remember guys, a little goes a long way, so. And this is also hornet's nest. Cause havoc and destruction on my intended target's life. Some hemlock. Curse them, make their life a living hell, make their life bitter in everything they do. Okay, my energy's rolling in now. Make them, their love life turn to shit, make their anything, any connection, any relationship in their life that they try to have going good for them in their life, may it turn to shit, may it putrefy, for all the anguish, harm, and destruction these people have tried to cause on my life, on me. Excuse me. May they get a taste of their own medicine, and may they run away like the coward that they are. May they regret, ever messing with me in my life. This is the bee's hive. May their life sting like a bitch. May their life suck. May their life sting. When something good comes along, may it get ripped away from them for all the hell and torment and destruction and anguish they've caused upon me in my life. May they see that they really have it as worse as they think they do. That's how bad we want to cause misfortune and misery in these people's lives. Bitterness, sourness. Their life is basically doomed. Okay, we're gonna add some mullein and some elm, slippery elm, and some red pepper, and then this will be done. I'll top it off with some other things, some storm water. This is mullein. Okay, I bless and charge and activate this mullein to cause havoc, wreak destruction in these people's lives. May their life, just when they think their life's going good, this is an amplifier. May it come up and catch up with them tenfold. May it catch up with them tenfold. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. Okay, now we need some slippery elm. These are capsules, so. Okay, I'm feeling very good and confident about this mixture. And parsley, I'm going to use a little bit of parsley for Master Leonard, if any of you guys work with him. Oh, and I need my dragon's blood. Then this will be great for, you can use cypress, you can use cloves. I have a Spell Enhancer Oil Booster. You can add a little bit in there too. I have some fire element oil that I made. I offer all 4 elements on my channel if you want to give this a kick. Dragon's blood. Oh, and I have a new deck, guys. I really like this deck. It's on Amazon. It's very nice. It shuffles really nice too. It's a regular Rider-Waite. It's really nice. So we will be doing the reading with that deck. Dragon's blood. Hyacinthia is poisonous too. Geranium is good to keep people, I think it's geranium or bergamot, I forget. Keep sex offenders, pedophiles, predators away. Okay, dragon's blood. And I think Asmantheus is poisonous. So yeah, you can really do your research and look up what, I have bergamot, I have pine needle, I have hyacinthia, and I have geranium. Also, I recommend the book of Scott Cunningham, her book, Magical Herbs, and we can look up in here, we can look up the plants, hyacinthia, and yeah, carnation is poisonous. It's for protection, strength, and healing. Money tree is poisonous. Snake plant, I believe, is poisonous. So, again, I do offer my psychic powers. So, mullein is for exorcism, courage, protection, health, love, divination. But obviously, we're using it for... It's good for keeping wild animals from you while hiking in untamed areas. Mullein is good for if you carry it on you. It's also used to banish demons and negativity. Black mustard seed is for mental powers and protection. They used it to, the Hindus used mustard seed to travel through the air, to guard against colds and increase mental powers. So I'm gonna have to put some of that in my psychic power oil. I didn't know that. So I'll do that next. So what was I doing? Oh, looking up hyacinthia. H-I... Eucalyptus might be poisonous too, I'm not sure. Fern is good for invisibility, the seed carried. Feverfew, fig, fleabane, frankincense, galangal. Okay, right here. Heliotrope. hibiscus, hickory, holly, hops, honeysuckle, hyacinthia, protection, it says sniffing the fresh flowers of a hyacinthia relieves grief and depression, and it also cures fascination. Okay, so we're gonna do slippery elm. Okay, I anoint and charge the slippery elm for gossip and to send my intended target's life nothing but havoc and destruction, and they have to basically be humiliated and go through the stages of grief, suffering, punishment, mental anguish, mental confusion. Okay, my intended targets for messing with me. So send them nothing but pain, hell, and destruction, and to stop their attacks. All right. Now let's do some parsley. So I anoint this parsley as an offering for Master Leonard, if his spirit comes through with using this oil, and amp the power of this spell of this DUME oil, and to cause havoc and wreak havoc and discord in the intended target's life. Okay, we're gonna do some bergamot. And I can't wait to record next. Okay. I bless and anoint this bergamot to wreak havoc and destruction in whoever's life that crosses me, my intended targets. Pine needle, very good also for protection. May their life be prickly, like the pine needles that sting when you touch them. May this intended target's life be as sore and painful and prickly. Now we're going to do some dragon's blood to amp up the power. Amp up the power of this DUME oil and charge it with nothing but pain, havoc, destruction, torment. May this target's life be a living, literally a living, walking, living hell. And we're going to use some geranium. I anoint and charge this geranium for discord, unhappiness, and melancholy in this, my intended target's life, for fucking with the wrong one, fucking with the chosen one. That's looking really good. All right, now we're going to use a couple high drops, or drops of hyacinthia, and this is going to be for, we're not going to use this. Well, I think it is poisonous, so yeah. This is going to be for poison, to poison this person, the intended target's life. Okay, now that we got that done, let's put some storm water. I charge and bless and activate the storm water to cause nothing but havoc and destruction in the intended target's life. We're going to top it off with some grapeseed oil or olive oil, and or apple cider vinegar would be better, because seeds represent fertility and growth. So you don't really want to use seeds in any type of hex working. I even have some black, yeah, this is black seed oil, so mixed with catnip. So we're not going to use that. We're going to just do apple cider vinegar. And that's it. I hope, let me see if I got the lemon out of here. If I put the lemon in there. No, I didn't. So let's grab the lemon. Might have to chop it up a little bit. Squishy, ushy, nasty, rotting lemon. May you sour this, my intended target's life. It's got mold on it too, so that's good. May you sour my intended target's life and wreak havoc and destruction. And make sure you sage and cleanse and wash your hands, or even take a shower after you're done doing this kind of working, and your tools, if you don't want the negative energy to be on them. And then we have some onion skin. So that's it, guys. That's the DUME oil. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, email me. You know what to do, how to get a hold of me. Make sure you label your things and keep them separate, especially if they are poisonous, from your other workings. And be safe out there. And this is a very strong, powerful oil. So don't take this lightly, guys. This it has a lot of kick and power, and if you don't know what you're doing, I don't recommend this for beginners. Just saying, just throwing that out there. All right, that's it. That's what we have. Let's I'm gonna rinse everything off when I'm done. Go rinse it under water and run it under some Palo Santo smoke. Let's put our apple cider vinegar in there, and I'm gonna label the bottle. It's gonna be called DUME oil. Well, that's what it is, but I'm gonna label everything so I know what it is. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Sending love and light. Many blessings. Take care now. Bye-bye.